Hey guys, this is Shruti. Welcome back to Technical Camp channel by Team MultiQuest. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to create an Instagram account in Android phone for beginner. So guys, after watching this video, please like, comment and share this video to your friends. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel Team MultiQuest to get update of our latest videos. For this, first go to Play Store, search Instagram, tap on install. After install, tap on open. Click on sign up with email or phone number. Here you can create it by phone number and email ID. I'm going to by email ID. Tap on next. Here simply you go and enter your full name and password. Click on continue. Then you select your date of birth. Click on next. Click on next. Click on skip. If you connect to Facebook, you can, but I don't. Click on skip. Skip. If you want means add. I don't, so skip. I am skipping it. I created my Instagram account. This is home page. This is search your friends. You can add your photos or videos. This is friend following list. This is about my profile. Here, this is settings, privacy, about account. If you want to log out the account, notifications. I'm logging my